Don't get involved in ZANU-PF factional fights. History should teach us that no positive changes ever come from ZANU-PF leadership, especially after 2017. Zanabira Mashukano Udata Governor Upochkona Jet Iowa. Yes, we can talk of succession dispute or fights are reported pinda pa factions and the ruling party. Upochkona Rika disputes Jet Iowa Chimusiana in Azano Kutikana Muchungota or anything to do with the ruling party, Iripakutonga, Apanakan end development in Oya. Zanabira Mashukano Danyora Panambo subscribe or like turn on the bell icon. Chimita Pendapaka Chiti. Zimbabwe needs genuine change, not deals with the ZANU-PF factions. Such deals only benefit the ZANU-PF and prolong its existence. All ZANU-PF factions in power today are doing nothing about healthcare, corruption, or the looting and plundering of the country's natural resources. They are simply positioning themselves for their turn to do what Mnangagwa Sela faction is doing now with impunity, looting, and plundering. History shows that ZANU-PF leadership has not brought about positive change, and there is little reason to believe this will change in the future. It is crucial to recognize that any deals or alliance with the ZANU-PF factions will only serve to extend the party's grip on power rather than bring about the fundamental change that Zimbabwe needs. According to history yakaitika the ruling party, apatakana any positive change inouya kana varipo pakutoka muchipusha mafights ekuti aiwa ta transition tikabva pana Mugabe tikapinda pana Mnangagwa tikapinda pana Chiwenga, all those vese kana vari ngori the ruling party panapo upochiona arongoti achiti aiwa vanenge vari ngori ine bid yekuprolonga their cling onto power, avamboisi development, ava address corruption, they are not addressing pressing key points anoita kuti aiwa health services aimproviwe. Mutudze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa musoro mashoko ake taona aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe tichisangana nethis stage. Pinda kucomment section medu, musano subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.